7 gym mistakes I see every day.
I train people every day, and 90% of them make the same mistakes in the gym. And they're probably the reason why you're not seeing results.
Mistake number 1, bad form. If you're swinging the weights like this, your muscles aren't doing the work, your ego is. Slow it down, control the weight, and actually squeeze at the top. Mistake number 2, going too heavy. If your form breaks down, the weight is too heavy, period. You're not impressing anyone, you're just limiting your results. Mistake number 3, no eccentric control. Most people rush the lowering part of the rep, which is actually where a lot of the muscle growth happens. Control the weight down, that's where the gains are. Mistake number 4, no plan. If you're walking to the gym and just winging it, you're guessing. And guessing doesn't build muscle. Mistake number 5, too much phone time. Resting is fine, but this is what people actually do. You don't need 10 minutes between sets. Mistake number 6, skipping basics. People avoid the hard stuff and then wonder why they're not progressing. The basics work, you just have to actually do them. Mistake number 7, not training hard enough. If you finish a set and feel like you could do 10 more reps, you didn't train hard enough. You need to get close to failure if you want results.
Fix these and your workouts will instantly get better. Subscribe if you want real advice without the BS.